Mine's 9:20.
Nine what?
Mine's 9:22 on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what Mark wants to do. Looks like NQ took on a low, pitching low. ES is still holding above, so we'll see. Oh, we shall see. We don't have no 5 minute gaps. We have a 15-minute gap. It looks like ES is pitching into its 15-minute gap. NQ is still not pitching. Looks like NQ into a 1 hour gap. Looks like it's gonna respect off that.
Oh my god.
If you're looking to get in, if you're looking to get in, we had a long position coming up. It's a very continuation. It looks like we bounced off a 1 hour gap. We might end up doing it again, but we shall see. I think I'll take that one. Yep. That's the first draw liquidity. We have taken it.
That's a good push.
I know. I'm really hoping it doesn't just start fucking pushing. I really want ES to start. I want it to take on a low and start holding below, so we can get a confirmation that we're in bearish order flow and we want some sales. And then
what's your Asia low and your New York AM from yesterday?
My Asia low is 25,865, and my New York low is 25,540.
Yeah, Lee, my shit's way off, bro.
Mine too. 835.
Okay, it looks like we're getting a nice little push with the with ES. If ES could push, hold below and low, then we can get some confirmation that we want to go bearish. We want to get hold below and low that we could get some confirmation. We want to go bearish. We want to take some more sell side liquidity out, and then we can hop in on a continuation to the downside. But we shall see. The only thing I'm hating is we are going to be pitching to 1 hour gaps and stuff.
I think you already went through one.
I ain't even gonna lie. I don't know where equilibrium is showing for y'all right now, but I was trying to get in on a trade like that. I was gonna size really light and hope that it was gonna keep running down. And I went to go place a trade, and I had to go back and sign into my funded futures, then the trade of a.
Dude, that happened to me yesterday.
Right now.
Yeah, that happened to me yesterday.
Dude, I keep I feel like I keep missing out on these good entries because it just runs, and it's not. I don't feel like it's my fault. But like the way that I used to trade, which wasn't okay, like I would have got in that every time as soon as I saw it moving.
Yeah.
So
I almost hopped in on whenever right before it took on and low. But I was like, nah. At the end of the day,
it's gambling if you do that for sure.
Well, it took on NQ. It took on and low. We took Asia low. ES is still fucking holding above for some god awful reason.
A big ass fair value gap right here in a second on the 15-minute if this keeps running down.
Yeah, everyone have a big ass 15-minute gap. I'm gonna try
to have a big ass 5-minute gap.
I might try to hop in on a 5-minute or a 3-minute gap, or maybe even a 2-minute gap.
ES is trying to get through a 1 hour gap right now.
Just because we are holding a below London low on both indexes, we got our confirmation. If we could go into a fair value gap, we can side of it and get out and have some strong rejection out of it, and then that would be our continuation.
How are you looking to size if you end up jumping in, Thomas?
Light. It's still early in the morning. I'm just gonna be sizing light. Probably like literally 5 to 8 micros. I guess I got 10 PAs now. Yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even tell you all this, but I ended up passing 5 Apex accounts.
Hell yeah, bro.
And one trade, I took a $3 grand trade, and ended up passing all of them at one time. And so I'm
What
running,
time did you do that at?
huh?
What time did you do that at?
Right when market opened.
Oh shit.
Right when market opened, we had that big push up.
Yeah.
I jumped in just like how you said, like how you'd see a big push up and you literally just press buy.
Dude, it's like you switch your discipline. I feel like, correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel, and it's kind of the same way Quez was trying to explain it to me. Like you have to have no emotion with these evals. You just gotta send it, and then once you get it, you can really like tighten up your discipline once you get through the eval.
Yeah, in the past month, I could go to my I've passed. I haven't failed an eval in probably 6 months. I've failed funded accounts, but not evals.
Yeah.
And I can say the main reason is that just because I size heavy and I take good trades just about, like I size,
Yeah.
like
Take
anywhere
fewer
from,
trades, but make them better.
yeah, like anywhere from like 20 to 30 micros, and I'm usually banging out like $1,500 fucking one. If I need to make $1,500 in 2 days, $1,500 Monday, $1,500 Tuesday.
That's so funny because those two evals that I shouldn't have passed when I first started this, that's what I was fucking doing, and I thought that I like grabbed myself and I was like, that's not the right way to do that after I watched some of the TGR mentor videos.
I would just say that it's not the best way to do it, but if you end up getting it funded, just go back. I mean, stay disciplined, and you like that's the best way to say it. Like don't use it like a eval the whole time. Like after you pass your eval, go back to where you're sizing correctly. You have good psychology. You have good risk management, but if you have an eval phase, bro, your eval is like I've literally said it before. It's a rinse and repeat method. Like you're supposed to either pass them or fail them. And if you're on them for like fucking 2 months at a time, like what is that really showing anybody, or you especially? Like, it's showing you like, oh yeah, you're a disciplined trader and you're a consistent trader, but at the end of the day, I mean, you can be a disciplined, consistent trader after you pass your eval in 2 days and you're on a funded.
Yeah.
Like I probably passed 15 evals in the past 2 months. I passed 10 my funded future, passed 5 Apex.
Yeah.
And it never took me more than 3 days to pass them. I even told Apex. I even told Quez this. I honestly just got lucky as shit yesterday.
Hey, if it worked, it worked. Just know that it was lucky, so you don't keep doing shit like that.
Oh yeah, bro. I would never fucking just literally press buy 30 micros. Like,
did you buy those Apex accounts cheap when they're on sale?
Yeah. So I used code PW.
You didn't really got much to lose in.
Yeah, so I used code PW. I bought 5 accounts for losing like $99, and so right. One second, I'll go with my story in a second. But right now we're going to a 4-hour gap on NQ, and I have some really good, like we're gonna end up pushing out this gap. The only thing I'm looking at is if we're in that 4-hour gap on ES yet. Almost want to put a buy limit at equilibrium for us to go up. Just because it's a high time frame gap.
You're not talking about the small one we're about to blow through, huh? You think it will take it to New York low?
Huh? I don't know. That's the only thing. Like we have New York low, but it all really all depends. If we end up blowing through this 4-hour gap, I'm wrong. But if I'm right, that means we're gonna end up going to this 4-hour gap and just rejecting off of. And if we get in on this 4-hour gap, that means we'd be bottom ticking it. Because we already have some pretty strong rejection out. Like every time we've wicked inside of it, we've had some pretty strong rejection out of it. So I'm trying to see, what are we doing? We haven't, bro. That sucks cock, bro. We haven't seen literally no respective value gaps to the downside. We watched, it's about 100 points just fly. See, like ES really looks like it wants to push up. ES looks like it's low key starting a pitch up. Yo, Nasdaq, we're in a big 15-minute gap. in a 4-hour gap. Yeah, ES took out one draw on the quarter. He took out London low or two draws on the quarter. London low and Asia low, and it started to pitch back up. I think it's really shooting up. Yeah, it looks like NQ is obviously the leading index today. If I was betting money on it. Yes, it's creating some huge wicks. Yeah. All right.
I'm wondering if I should take an entry. I'm trying to see what this candle is going to do right here in this smaller fair value gap on the 4-hour.
Yeah, it was gonna inverse it.
Yeah, if it rejects, I wanna get in a buy position. I want to try and just go heavy, dude, and get my 1,500 and pass this account.
But honestly,
I just
looks like we're gonna inverse it.
I think it's gonna push through. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna inverse it. I've already pushed through just about 99% of it. The only thing throwing me off is that ES does not want to push. ES does not look like it wants to push down whatsoever.
Yeah, what's weird is I mean, I guess since it's not the leading index, there's no fair value gap stopping it right now. It is 100% moving with NQ.
Well, there is a 4-hour fair value gap, but it's kind of way down.
Yeah, it's way lower. We would have to go through this one and move down to this bigger 4-hour fair value gap on NQ for
right.
Yeah. Oh, dude, I'm like trying not to get a buy position right now.
No, I'm trying to. Yeah, I'm really just trying to wait to see what ES does.
Yeah, these sales are killing me, bro. I just want to get in.
Yeah, that's what I want to get in. I want to try to get in on this 4-hour inverse, because it looks like of course we would have to wait for candle closure, and it'd be 17 minutes, so we might not even get an entry. But I mean, ES is pitching up. NQ is still holding it below. So market open, we started bearish order flow, took out 30 draws on liquidity. Our bias really should be, or at least on NQ, should be really sells. Because we're in bearish order flow. We had some really strong confirmation. We're getting some continuation down, but bro, this shit is crazy.
Oh yeah, dumb
Shit.
Fucking hell.
Yeah.
I saw a big impulse on ES.
Yeah, we might be honestly pushing to this gap right here.
I wonder if I should just catch a quick little fucking. Oh, we're already there. Shit.
That's what I'm saying.
Maybe I could catch like a couple points on the way down, but we're already there.
I'm gonna press buy, and I'm gonna have a buy limit at 25.710.
What?
25.710 on NQ.
How far are you gonna bring your stop loss down? You gonna do 30 points?
30 points.
Dude.
25 what?
I'm gonna do 25.700.
Alright.
Yeah, 25.700. We'll see what we do. The only thing, we're in a 4-hour bullish gap on both indexes now, so
how heavy are you going in?
I'm going in honestly pretty heavy, but I would
I'm going in 10.
Yeah, I would not recommend it.
I'm gonna go in 10. Thomas, what'd you take profit at?
My take profit at is my full take profit is gonna be London high, and then my first TP is always gonna be a 1-to-1, and then my second TP is gonna be at 25.893, and then my third TP is gonna be at London high.
Okay.
You're not in already, are you?
Not down.
Yeah, I'm still waiting to get wicked in.
What is that? 25,700. That's where your entry is.
So it's a 4 hour for value gap that we're going into on ES and in Q, and I think that we're gonna end up pushing in that for value gap and rejecting off. I think we're gonna push.
What's your?
Huh?
No, you're good. You're good.
I think
What's your 1-to-1?
my 1-to-1 or hold on, let me see. I didn't put a long position yet. Yeah, 30-point stop is fucking small.
Never mind, I got it right here.
1-to-1 would be.
It's at 7,600 or 760.
What the hell? Where'd my fucking thing go? Oh, there it is.
You getting them on sale, Tommy?
Yeah. I mean, we're going to a 4 hour gap on both indexes. I think we're gonna end up rejecting out these 4 hour gaps to go take some boss out of liquidity. Yeah, looks like we might already got our push up. We're looking for an inverse of 1 and 2 minute for value gaps. Let's see how that goes. If this 2 minute ends up inversing, I might jump in on this 2 minute inverse just because it looks like we already got our buy pressure back in. Yeah, we inversed the gap. So I'm gonna put a new entry point at 25,794. Just risk accordingly. Yeah, it looks like we already got our buy pressure back in. We just gotta watch out. What time is it? Okay. We got about 12 minutes till news drops. That's the only thing we really gotta watch out for.
Order filled.
Okay, I got filled.
Yeah, me too.
All right, we'll see. Let's see how this goes. Holy shit.
You go.
you pick on your flight? Or you flying there? Joe Rogan. Joe Rogan was it? Or Casey? Advertise with it. I'm sure he's going to do it.
Get in and we fucking don't. Holy shit. That's a
Nero Gum?
good
Oh,
way, bro.
shoot.
I got stopped out.
Stop that.
Bro, that's a good way to lose fucking $600 in the market really fast. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
for real.
Damn.
Bro, I thought honestly we were going up, but fuck no.
Oh, yeah. Dude.
Yeah. Bro, I don't know where we got all that fucking sell pressure from.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, we're gonna wait 8 minutes for the market for news to come out and see how that goes. I was floating a couple $100 at one time, then we fucking literally shot straight down.
Yeah, I was at like 320 and then stopped out. Where'd you get filled?
Bro, I don't know why, but I got filled so fucking late. I got filled at 25.7, or let me see. I got filled at 25.795 or 25.796.
Damn.
Yeah, I got filled so late. So I was floating negative. I was floating profit and I was floating negative for a minute, and then I ended up just floating straight negative.
Damn.
Bro, market's fucking chopped.
Okay.
And we end up going back. We end up going back up. I don't see why.
Forex Factory says the news was at 8:40.
840.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it said 9.
Yeah, for real.
Mine says 8:40.
It says 9 a.m. on you're talking about
I've been
Joel's
wanting to
job
get-
op-
Some of this. Yeah, me too.
No, I don't even have. You looking on Tuesday?
Tuesday, February 3rd.
Yeah, I have everything checked. I don't see it. For me, I have an 8:40 FOMC member Bauman speak.
Is it red?
Oh.
Do you have your red folder filter off?
Oh, it's on. I don't have any red folder today.
What?
Yeah. Yeah. No, I see the same thing as Britain.
Let me refresh my shit.
Yeah, they do move news days sometimes.
Oh yeah!
What the
I
fuck?
didn't know he made his own energy drink.
That's crazy. 840. Well, I don't know what the fuck Bauman said, but
Mm-hmm. He said, "Don't let Thomas's trade hit." That's what he said.
yeah. No,
Dude,
we're pitching back down.
be safe. Love you.
That's a fucking bummer.
Yeah, we're literally chopped. We literally had a nice up move, had a straight down move. But we're finna go back in this 4-hour gaps on both NQ and ES. We're gonna take New York low out.
Yeah. Yeah, I had to get it. Keep pushing down, bro. Thank you. Thank you.
Bro, this is crazy. They said, fuck that, we're going straight down today.
Mm-hmm.
We're finna push that 4-hour gap on ES. It looks like. Oh, I mean, if we get it, if we get an entry point on a sell, if we get like a 5-minute respected gap, then I'm of course gonna try to get in, or maybe even this 3-minute respected gap to make some of the bread I lost back today.
For real.
That's crazy. Yeah, I'm down fucking $600.
Same.
Yeah, I'm down 500.
Down 625.
That's crazy though.
Dude, that hurts my soul.
They were like fucking dumping. I really wanted to come up and respect the for value gap.
Yeah.
We're in a 4-hour, 1-hour gap, 30-minute gap.
Probably almost.
Bro, I guess he wanted to go take out that New York low. That's what it looks like he wants to do.
Boys, I gotta leave, but I'll be back. And I gotta get in class. I'm going back when I get in class.
All right, brother.
This is crazy.
Hopefully we can go back into this 2-minute and 3-minute gap or end up respecting it or something.
We had a inverse for value gap form on ES on the 4-hour just now.
Yeah, we're
Oh, fuck, that bitch is.
pumping.
Yeah, it's trying to catch up to fucking NQ, I guess. Dude, I might try and get into a buy position at equilibrium on the 4 hour. I'm just trying to look for some more confluences. You see the fucking the inverse fair value gap that's like tapped into that 4 hour, Thomas?
On NQ?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What would your confluences be like if you were looking at that? Do you think that's an unreasonable entry?
Yeah. Yeah. It's already a field for value gap.
Yeah.
I just can't believe what it fucking did today. Louis dumped. Louis just had a dump a Ruski today.
Yeah, I'm down 700 right now.
Yeah. It won't let me get into a fucking good entry point. Every decent entry point we've had, Louis faked us out.
This is crazy. I might get in on this 1 minute gap. It's small, but I don't know.
Well, I can't be the only one that thought that video I sent in the GC was funny last night.
What would you send?
The dude I saw in the comments, he had a take loss and a stop profit.
Oh yeah, I seen that shit.
He totally flip flop, bro.
Yeah, I seen that shit.
I hate fucking with these high time frame fair value gaps. It's like a giant waiting game.
Yeah. Yes, looked like you respected it. A 2 minute gap.
Yeah.
It did.
We ended up forming a 5 minute gap. All right, boys. Yeah, so we had a great bearish order flow today. That buy was honestly fucking. I don't know. I thought it was honestly smart, but we honestly just got faked out. I don't know what we were trying to reach for. We weren't trying to reach for any imbalances. That's the only thing that confused me. And but hopefully we can get in on a sell before the move stops. But I literally can't find a respected for value gap to save my life. At least on NQ. We have not respected a gap in a
There's one small, tiny little 1 minute irrespected that I almost got in on, but
a tiny 1 minute where
right at 9 a.m. That's the middle candle of it. It's real small.
Yeah, I see what you're looking at.
Yeah.
That's crazy though. We had beautiful bearish order flow to the downside with no entry point.
NQ's about to hit New York low yesterday.
Yeah. I'm seeing that.
What's your thoughts on putting a buy order at the New York low?
Bro, I honestly think that's gonna be the drawn liquidity you're reaching for. I don't see it being like that bad. But I mean, it's not like an A+ setup or anything by any means.
Yeah.
But I don't see it being that bad. I think it's actually pretty crazy that we had this big of a pitch today with no entry point.
What's your New York AM low price?
25, 541. Like we're like literally a couple points from it. But we have also some draws and liquidity on the downside. Market has slowed down a solid bit. I'm literally trying to catch one decent play today. Like, God forbid a man who just has a hobby.
God forbid a white boy catch a bob.
Yeah.
So what would be our confluence for the loss today, Thomas?
Bro, really got faked out. We got faked out so hard. That's like literally the only thing that I see that we literally just got faked out today. I mean we had a 3 minute inverse value gap to the upside. We were at that time. We were literally holding above London low on ES. Like we were like that. It was a it was a big candle. If you go on the 5 minute, it was that big green candle at 9:45. We were really holding above London low, and on ES we started our pitch up on NQ. We inversed the fair value gap. We respected another fair value gap, and so as soon as we got in, we just fucking caught the shit end of the stick. All right, so we took New York low on NQ. We're still taking it on ES. The only entry point I've seen literally so far is we respected a 2 minute gap before we started a nice pitch down. But that's it. We haven't respected no 5 minute gaps today whatsoever. I mean, if we sit on the 5 minute today, we would have not really caught a trade whatsoever. But we also wouldn't have got faked out. Looks like we swept it. We swept New York low. We're having some immediate buy pressure come in.
I think that's a 4-hour BPR gap as well. 2 fair value gaps lined up.
It's a 1 hour gap. It's a 30 minute gap also.
Yeah, there's a bearish and a bullish fair value gap lined up with each other. That's a high point of resistance.
But no, I'm not trading anymore today. I've taken my 3 losses to the dome. I'll still call out a play if I see it. A plus setup if I see it, but I already took my 3 losses to the dome. I'm not gonna be risking anymore.
You took 2 other trades?
I took that first fake out trade, and then I took a continuation trade off of I think it was a 1 minute gap. Yeah, and then off a 1 minute gap at 10:03, and I'm getting really stopped out, and then it played. I mean, it's been playing out perfectly, and yeah, my third trade was the same exact thing. I took it off a 3 minute. I guess that 3 minute really been fucking me today. Yeah.
It's like it wants to fill the whole gap and some more and then reject from them. I don't know. See what you're talking about, though.
Today was complete ass for me. Lost $1,200. It's only 9:18 too. We still got fucking 40 more minutes of price action. Bro, we dumped literally. Damn, we dumped fucking a shit ton. We dumped just about 400 points today. Looks like we're seeking out this. I mean, it really does look like we're seeking out this New York low though. Why do they keep on doing that?